In many ways, people have often thought that the library was just a bunch of books. Library services have always included research help, research resources, one-on-one individual help with research and information literacy. But now with the renovations, it's going to expand what the library does into the whole concept of the Academic and Learning Innovation Center.
There's a lot of resources here. So we previously had the pods, but now there's much more of them. You don't have to worry about the first come, first serve as much anymore because we can offer that to more people.
Quite a few renovations have occurred. We created the new quiet room and the new tutoring space for math and sciences. And then also part of the renovation was creating a new collaboration room for students, as well as a seminar room, which is going to be reservable by anybody on campus.
I've heard many students excited about the collaboration room now in the Ally Center. It is just a great way for students to get together and work on projects.
There's so much more hands-on learning space and technology. I think that the renovations really show a commitment to the student experience because almost all of the changes were instigated because of what students needed.
As they were developing, they really took students' opinions into what they wanted to see, which is why you see more of things like the pods, why you see a lot of collaborative study spaces and also like independent private study spaces because that's what students really wanted to see.
The Writing Center moved in. That was one of the most important things that happened in the renovation so that students will be able to work in the library but also go directly to the Writing Center.
My favorite feature of the Ally Center is the recording studio. I have to film myself a lot for some of my classes, so using a webcam on my monitor is sometimes harder to do. But if I go in the recording studio, I can use a camera and a green screen to record myself.
It helps the students, but also the faculty, to have all these resources in one spot. And we're really excited about the new technology that's going to be in the recording studio. Video taping equipment, a green screen, an interactive whiteboard, a light board. We're going to have a podcasting station. There'll be editing software as well. Faculty are also going to be pretty excited about the recording studio. They've been waiting for that for a long time.
I'm very excited about the new Ally Center on campus. I think it's a great way for students to come together and just hang out.